I made an entire website in Adobe Illustrator, and honestly, it looks magnificent. So a bit of context here. I am Mo, I am 15 years old, and I'm from Morocco, and I'm a designer. I've been designing in Upwork for 2 years right now, and I decided to make a website, basically just for me as a personal website where I'll be putting my portfolio work and as well as my blog posts. So I wanted to symbolize my own values and represent me as a person in my design preferences. And so I went for this unique pixel-like style, pixel art, which I love, by the way. And so starting from the main bone here, as you can see, the website is all made in Adobe Illustrator. And I know it's pretty scary for most web developers to hear that somebody made a website in Adobe Illustrator because it's not functional at all. But I found this great tool called Convertify, which I use to convert the entire website into Figma and make it fully working. And it actually worked, and I'm so freaking impressed. So I'm gonna show you that later. So a quick review. Here's the website. I used the font called um, it was called Calise, and another font called for the normal type. It was called Sohne something, was Sohne. So I used some pixel art icons for the About Me work, YouTube, and blog. And these are basically placeholders for the portfolio work. And then Get to Know Me. Of course, I already made the brand identity for myself, which is this pixelized aspect. I used it in my upcoming app that I'm willing to make. So as you can see, these are all the graphics for it. Just the pixel kind of style aspect, as you can see, just squares and rectangles merged together, combined. So that's basically it. That's a kind of like an example image of how it would look. Get to know me, quick quick introduction, and then the blog space. So each blog will have its kind of its title, and then some kind of illustration, some kind of color that represents it. This is just all example. None of this is real. And then the final contact me. I haven't filled it yet, but I'm gonna fill it later. So my plan was to make it right in here in Adobe Illustrator, which I'm very familiar with and I'm very experienced with it. I'm working with it for 3 years now, and I'm really more than beyond um, expert at it. So I used it. And then, yeah, so this is basically the logo. I used this kind of color palette. It was inspired from the brand identity of Perplexity AI, which I love their identity by the way. And then I converted it using Convertify, and I exported it as SVG. Of course, you have to export it as SVG file. AI doesn't work, and then SVG, it just worked out perfectly. I mean, everything was exported and everything is editable. Quick example here, for example, the contact page, I can literally just edit it like right away in Figma. And that's basically it for today. I'm going to be updating you on the next phases, which is just basically I'm going to be developing the website in Cursor, using Cursor. I still have to learn it. I'm not really fully familiar with it. I don't understand the whole shebang, but I'm gonna have to take some courses and yeah, just make the website with it. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take roughly 2 days or something. And so I'll update you later. And once the website is live, I'm gonna tell you the URL. And hopefully this should be a very really fun kind of project to make. So that's a basic video, small video I wanted to make. And that's just it for me today. Wish you all the best. Peace.